In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Figma. Adding text is one of the most basic things you'll do in any design tool, and in Figma, it's very straightforward once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through each step slowly, and along the way, I'll share a few helpful tips so you feel comfortable doing this on your own. First, you'll want to open a Figma file. This can be an existing project you're already working on, or a brand new file. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new design file from your Figma dashboard. Once the file is open, make sure you can see the main canvas in the center of the screen. This is the large white or gray area where all your frames and designs live. If you already have frames set up, you can zoom in on the one where you want to place your text, just to make things easier to see. Next, look for the text tool, which is represented by the letter T. Depending on your Figma layout, you'll usually find this in the toolbar. You might see it along the top or in a tools panel. If you're having trouble spotting it, remember that it's simply the T icon. Clicking this icon tells Figma that the next place you click on the canvas will create a text object. A quick tip here. You can also use the keyboard shortcut by pressing the T key on your keyboard. This is handy once you're more comfortable and want to work a bit faster. After you've selected the text tool, move your mouse over to the area on the page where you'd like your text to appear. Click once on the canvas. You'll see a blinking text cursor appear, which means Figma is ready for you to type. Now you can start typing in whatever text you need, whether that's a heading, a label, or a paragraph. Once your text is on the screen, you can adjust it using the Properties panel, usually on the right side of Figma. From there, you can change the font, size, color, alignment, and more. You can also click and drag the text box to reposition it, or drag the edges to resize it, especially if you're working with longer paragraphs. And that's all there is to it. Open your file, select the T icon, click on the page and type in your text. With these basics, you're ready to start adding